All right, getting into today's recipe. Here you see me slicing up my boneless chicken into proportionate size pieces. The ingredients here for my marinade sauce. Now, when it comes to frying up your chicken, you want to make sure your oil is hot. I used a medium-high heat throughout this recipe, and I'm frying my chicken up in batches. After all of my chicken is done, I poured out the excess oil and I'm now going to go ahead and saute all of my veggies. Zucchini and mushrooms are water-based vegetables, so I will use this to my advantage when sauteing, not having to add any oil to the pan. So for my garlic sauce, I did not want to open up a whole can of chicken stock just for the little bit that I needed. So I'm using better than bouillon instead. So now that my sauce has thickened, I'm going to go ahead and return everything back to the wok. And we're going to go ahead and get this mixed together. So we're going to go ahead and let this cook down just a bit, but not too much, because I want my vegetables to still have some firmness to them. And just like that, we are done with this recipe. This was super yummy, guys. If you try it, let me know in the comment section how it comes out for you. And thanks for hanging out. God willing, of course, we will see you on the next one. Shalom.